Hi crypto kings and queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi, Natalie, and in today's episode what we're gonna talk about is the perfect level that we did have yesterday. The market came up exactly, retested my Fibonacci level. The market was going straight down to the target and we are heading down to the support that we have around 21.6k. But before that is happening, we're diving through to the 3 minutes chart, and what we're doing here is that we are identifying what's happening. I do have certain levels right here, the boxes that you can see that I will talk about more in the video. Here we can expect the market to have a push up for then continue to drop down, but the most important thing is that we don't want to get faked out. I will break down about the fake outs that can potentially happen around these levels before the next potential drop will happen for BTC. Remember, I am no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at my video and I'll show you in detail of what can happen on the lower time frames right now on BTC. Oh my god, I am invisible, but for each and everyone that wants to trade BTC or Ethereum or whatever cryptocurrency that you like, then you can do the exact same thing as me. I am trading my cryptocurrencies on BYBIT. This is a leverage trading platform. You have zero fees when it comes to spot pairs and you have low fees when you're holding your positions for a longer time. I am only trading BTC and Ethereum, but if you're interested in something else, then just look at this. You have so many different cryptocurrencies that you can go in here and trade on. And if you've never used BYBIT before, I will give you a link at the end of this video of a full tutorial on how to use the platform. But at this moment, you can receive a bonus up to $30,030 by using my link in the description down below my video. You'll also have it pinned here in the corner. Look at me. I am invisible, okay? One thing before we're getting into the chart, make sure to follow me on my Twitter account because we are almost at 600 people and we will have the Twitter spaces, and I want to connect with you guys. I want to talk to you. I want to hear your experiences yourself. This is a wonderful thing that we are able to do. But outside of that, I also have daily updates about cryptocurrencies. And yesterday, if you were looking at this video 23.6k that I have on my YouTube channel, then you would have known that this was a high probability for it to happen. Market went straight down. Okay, so make sure to follow me on each and every platform that I have, and you will never miss a potential opportunity on whatever coin that you want to look at. Most of the time BTC and Ethereum. Okay, see you on my Twitter. Site 23,620 around that level, and we see the market retesting it from above. That is really good. That is really good. So what we're gonna do at this moment, I just wanted to show you the video that I did post yesterday on my YouTube channel, which is the one next potential trade setup for BTC 23.6k. Now in this video I did show you different levels that we could potentially see the market continue up and retest, and this actually did happen. So we saw how the market broke down, and this was the candlestick that you saw in the video. It did push up inside the box that I spoke about at 23.5 and 23.6. Now we only retested the 50%, and what did happen? We had this huge drop, and we did actually expect this. If you've been on my channel for some time, you already knew that if the market was supposed to break this level, and based on that we see the market consolidating, this support was the next level that we with high probability would supposed to face, and this is exactly what did happen. And now what we're waiting for, just zooming out on the overall perspective, we have to have in mind that from this support 21.6, this is where we'll see, because you will continue to see how the market will drop today to this support once again and the resistance, because whether the market's going to continue to higher targets or whether the market's going to continue to lower targets, the market is always reaching certain levels, previous support and resistance zones, trend lines, Fibonacci levels, etc. And you have nothing around here except the resistance. Oh, that was a beautiful one. Except the resistance that we have broken below. So previous resistance became new support. We did have a pretty strong break from this level. So if we just go down to the lower time frames, I strongly believe that we will soon see the market continue to drop from here. But of course, what we're gonna do is that we will highlight the previous resistance. You've seen the market retest this one time. The market is going sideways, but this is because we had this big drop now a couple of hours ago. And from here, of course, we can take another Fibonacci from the last low to the high if the market would have the power to continue up a little bit for some more retests. So what we're gonna do, we obviously have to highlight the resistance and the support, but in this case I actually want to use the Fibonacci instead, because you guys know how powerful Fibonacci is, so why wouldn't I use it? Right? If the market on BTC continues to drop now, but we're facing a resistance between 22,160 or 22,085, this can be the beginning for the market to have another push up to the support that we did break around 22.900. But we can also use this level if we would see the market just continue to drop now, breaking a potential retest from it from below. That is the confirmation that we are continuing to lower targets. Of course, what we can also do is that we just might find some other Fibonacci levels that we have right here inside the sideways market. And one of those levels that I'm looking at is the resistance before we had the retest of this high at 22,457, which means that we can also see BTC push back up to 22,300 and 400 now, sorry, 22,400 and 22,412. From these levels, we can also see the market give you the next rejection for the market to continue down to whether we're gonna surpass this Fibonacci if the market would, continue up. The market is bouncing in between the levels, so we're using the levels now because we're at the resistance. So if I see the market push up here and I see the market starts to reverse, then I know for sure that, okay, if the market reversed for sure from here, because it's never 100%, but if the market gives me the confirmation, if I know that the market is pushing up to this previous resistance, give me the confirmation that the market will continue to drop, then I of course will have my take profit down at the box. But at that point, I will move my stop loss to entry because I want to see if this will be a valid retest continuation up, or if this is just going to give me a small retest on other Fibonacci levels, because you'll see how the market will give you new data, new prices, and with that I'm able to calculate where the next potential drop can happen from too. So I just might find another entry around this box right here, but this is coming with patience. Of course, we need to wait for it. It is Friday today, but this is on the lower time frame, so this can happen very quickly, and this is the reason why we're gonna do the exact same thing as I did yesterday. What I will do is that I will add a alert on TradingView on BTC to see if this will be where the market gives me the short entry for me, for then see the market drop from here. If this will not give me the confirmation that is dropping, if we're breaking above the level at 22,413.15 around this level, and first of all, we could potentially see the market giving us another fake out the same way that we did here. So this is also something that I need to have in mind, is that how is the market looking around these levels, because you can see so many fake outs and then the market reverses down. So that's why patience is very crucial, and I know we all have to practice it. We all want to trade, we all want to have money, yes, I know, but it's so important for us to actually have these rules in our mind and wait for the market to actually come to these levels, give us the confirmation. Because if I just jump in for a short position right away, maybe I have the perfect setup, everything, but the market just have to fake us out first and then come back down to my levels and targets, and then give me the confirmation that we are going in this case down. So wait to see if you have any fake out above these levels first of all, and then you'll see if the market will start to give you a break of structure, because you can also see right here that we were in a small uptrend. Of course, you see the market go up down, market then eventually started to break the support. At the moment what we're at, this is so beautiful, but at the moment what we have is that the market, even if this is on the 3 minutes chart, we are still below the uptrend, right? So this is the beginning for the downtrend. We're looking at the lower time frames, and of course the market is extremely volatile when it comes to it, but just have these levels in mind. And we're gonna see, because I'm gonna go on a live stream in a couple of hours during New York session to see what could potentially, or what have happened since I did post this video. Thank you everyone for looking at this video together with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications so you know when I am live next time and when I do have my daily updates. Until then, I wish everyone a fantastic weekend. Toodles!